2 to the power n plus 4 minus 2 times 2 to the power n divide 2 times 2 to the power n plus 3 plus 2 to the power minus 3. We are going to simplify these indices. We are trying to solve this one step by step. How? This 2 to the power n plus 4 we can write like a to the power m plus n. We can write a to the power m times a to the power n. Similar here also we can write 2 to the power n times 2 to the power 4, and here is a minus 2 times 2 to the power n will be unchanged, and here 2 to the power is nothing. It means what? It means it's a 1. We can write like 2 to the power n plus 3 plus 1. Okay, or if you want can be write like 2 times, here is a 2 to the power n times 2 to the power 3. Okay, and here 2 to the power minus 3, it's a negative exponent. We can write a 1 divided 2 to the power 3, because a to the power minus n, it means 1 divided a to the power n. Now from here we can take common 2 to the power n. So here will be 2 to the power 4, it means 16 minus, here is a 2. Okay, and here it's a 2 to the power n times 2 to the power 3 is a 8. 8 times 2 is a 16. Okay, and here is a plus 1 divided 2 to the 3 is a 8. Here we can divide 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n. In denominator it will be 16 minus 2 is a 14, and here is a 16 plus 1 by 8. Now we can divide this fraction by 2, so here it will be 7 and here is a 8. So here is 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Now we can make a LCM. How? 8 and 8, LCM is 8. So 7 plus 1. We can write 7 plus 1 is 8. Divide 8. Once we divide 8 by 8, it will be 1. And our required answer is 1. Very simple. So very easy way we are trying to solve this one. In this channel, you will get lots of math based on indices. So please stay with me and let me know what kinds of math you need. Stay with me. Thank you very much for being with me. Please subscribe the channel.